I'm Jack McCoy. I work for Western States Equipment. We're the CAT dealer in Idaho, Montana, Eastern Oregon, and Eastern Washington. We have a large contractor base in municipalities, and we have small contractors to large contractors, and they enjoy the Road Widener product. Anything that you need to convey to the side or a narrow trench, it will cover it. And once you run the product, you realize there's more than one application for it, and it's a very useful tool. The Vibe Roller is an added product for safety. The first one we sold as a county, and they had an accident by using a UCOM roller to compact the shoulder of the road. And not only did they tie up 2 machines and 2 people, but they had the accident, nobody was hurt, but the Vibe Roller offered an alternative to compact the shoulder of the road, stay in the lane, and offer good production.